welcome back to SparkBC Hot Topics. I'm Erin Riva, owner-operator of SparkBC, and with me I've got Dave Chevalier from Chilliwack, BC. How's it going, Dave?
Hi, Erin. Good to see you.
Nice to see you too. And we've got Ted Gilbert out in Penticton. How's it going, Ted?
Hi, Erin. How's it going yourself? Pretty good. A little smoky out here.
You know, I haven't actually been out on the golf course at all this year. You've been golfing a lot more than I have, I'm embarrassed to say.
I'm embarrassed to say I have 70 rounds in so far.
70? Oh my God. Well, I think I need a membership or something. So anyways, I'm still hoping. I'm gonna squeeze it out, but
yeah.
Anyways. So today we've got another hot topic for everybody out there. We've got an issue pertaining to Section 2, general rules. So I think, Dave, you're going to take the lead on this one. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me throw it up there for you. All right, so walk us through this photo here.
Wow, it's a good photo. Supplying a temporary pole from a pad mount. So it's for new construction. So I don't see anything wrong with the temporary service at all. It's braced. It's inside even looks like from here a pressure treated wooden box to keep the water out. But the pad mount is close and to it, and the cable going over there has a good waterproof connector from the pad mount. Do you see any more, Ted?
No, Dave, I think you really hit that on the head. I really like this install and would put a happy face on my certificate of inspection for this guy.
Did you guys have stamps like that where it was like, excellent work, A+?
Excellent work. Yeah, to Dave's point, you know, it's important to provide strain relief on that cable, and that rain tight or watertight connector that's going into the side of the pad mount is exactly what is called for here. In fact, I know in the southern Okanagan here, I don't think Fortis will even connect them anymore if the cable isn't already stripped off and it's got a rain tight connector like this on it, ready for the hydro crew to put it inside this pad mount. I like the way the cable has been buried between the pad mount and the base of the 6x6 in the background. You can see it. So, you know, they took the time. So if a tradesman should walk through there, or if they stack some material in there, you know, the cable is fairly well protected by the earth that's been put in there. And before we went on, Dave made a great point. You know, that this is a temporary electrical installed long enough to get the building up, and before they connect a permanent service, which has got a whole lot of different rules involved. So Dave, yeah, I like it. Back to you.
Oh, that's great, Ted. You know, the only issue might be that the armored cable going up the temporary construction service doesn't have any protection on it, but you can't get anywhere near it with the bollards in there, you know, correct?
Yeah, I agree. We're subject to mechanical damage. And armored cable needs some protection. So, and to your point earlier, it's a temporary install.
Yeah, it won't be there that long by the looks of things.
No one's going to be weed whacking around the base of that, I don't think.
Yeah. So did we meet Rule 200, general protection of persons and property? It looks to me like it's installed and guarded for the safety of people and property, and for protection of the electrical equipment from mechanical or other damage to which it's liable to be exposed. All kinds of things in there, like you said, the connector, and as well the bollards, lots of mechanical protection.
Yeah, I agree. It's a good install.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
Well, thanks, guys. I appreciate you weighing in. As always, I really appreciate how much knowledge and experience you guys bring into this. And I really do like seeing the grade installations too. I know a lot of times we show the car accidents and stuff that are out there, and how people are doing things poorly. But I think that it's important to point out that there's a lot of people doing really great work out there too. So thanks for sharing these photos today.
Yeah, absolutely. If we show them how it should be done, and you do it that way, you don't have any trouble with the inspectors, and you get your connection quick right away. Your builder's happy, everyone's happy. You may even get paid sooner, and that'll make you happy. So that's what we're all about.
It makes us all happy getting paid earlier. All right. Well, have a good weekend, guys. Great to see you again. Catch you next time.
Thanks,
Thank you.
Dave.
You
Thanks,
too.
sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.